with the front teeth, you can see. Actually, I have treated from, I was taking treatment from last 2 years, but I was not satisfied with many of the doctors. Then one of my friends told me that to visit Dr. Priyanka, and when I visited, I got a very good experience here. Like they have a set process. They follow the same process. They go to the root of the problem and resolve the issues. So the treatment was very good, and I'll recommend everybody to come here. And if you have any issues, dental issues, you can easily you can get a solution very easily. Thank you.